1944 Jag D-type, D-type. Absolutely an unusual car. And this particular car, they're only made for a very short time and very few were made. And this one, the actual car you see here, set a record at Bonneville in, I think, 1958, 186.5 miles an hour. .186.5. Driven today by another great friend of the Forest Grove Concours, Mike Ashaya. Mike, how does it drive?
It's pretty gnarly.
Anything else you'd like to add?
No, but it needs to be on the track one more time.
This is a very special Maserati. It was built in 1956 and it was a race car first. Raced in 8 races in Europe, ran the Mille Miglia, crashed in a couple races, and then was a show car. And then it was sold as a brand new car. So that's the way they do it in Italy sometimes.